Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Gemini. Let us see what is coming up for y'all, for your general energies and for your love energies, Gemini. Knight of Wands, the Hermit, Nine of Pentacles, Page of Cups, Knight of Cups. Gemini, with these cards, I feel there is somebody coming to visit you, maybe a friend or a family member or your person. They are coming with a very good news. Something very unexpected. They may be bringing some gifts or some kind of fortune, guys, or some kind of information about your promotion or some job offers, something really good. And maybe for some of you all, you would have applied for something in your work or in this relationship. You would have wanted something. You would have told your person certain things that you want to have in this relationship. Maybe you wanted to move in with them, or you would have invited them to move in with you. So they may be accepting that some kind of news. So something is happening and you're feeling really happy for how things are going your way, guys. And you are really happy in this relationship with this person. You love them. You have that intimacy and attraction and affection is there, and you feel a certain sense of accomplishment in your life, in your work. You are settled. You have a good job. Things are going well. Things are falling into place in your relationship with this person, and maybe they are accepting something that is coming into whatever you had wished they would do for you. They are accepting that. So that may be concerning your relationship, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you may be planning a trip. Maybe they have given consent for that, or you would have requested them to join you, or your friends, somebody. So they are coming with you, accompanying you, some kind of happy plans. Whatever you were trying to do, it is manifesting, guys. The people concerned, they are accepting it. So that is the energy here, and you are thinking within yourself what you need to do in your life. So some kind of happy contemplation of how you have achieved the things so far and what you need to do in your future, how to proceed with your future, what should be your goals, and what should be your achievements. So you're planning that. Maybe you're planning that with this person, or maybe you're planning that alone. So definitely some news is coming, guys, towards regarding your business or in your relationship. Something good is coming. Maybe for some of you all, you may be moving to a different city. Maybe you would have requested them to move with you, or that may be the energy here. So they may be moving with you to this different city or different state. Something really happy is happening today, guys. Or you would have requested them to invited them to travel with you, and they would have accepted that. So you're really happy for that. That may also be the energy here. So let us see what is coming up, Gemini, with the other set of cards here. What is the energy? Lady, clouds, dog, man, sun. With these cards, Gemini, this person is definitely open to your invitation, open to love and romance, and they like you a lot, guys. They are devoted to you, and they have this great attraction towards you. So that may be the energy here, guys. And they want to spend time with you, guys. So they like you a lot. So that is the energy with these two cards here, facing each other. They love you, and you are going to feel very optimistic about how things are going. This is a very positive energy card, the sun here. So whatever minor negative emotions, maybe some kind of confusions you would have had, like whether this person will accept your plan, accept your invitation, so whatever that was, so you're going to overcome it, guys. And they are very much devoted to you. They love you a lot, guys, and they want to spend time with you. That is also the energy here. Maybe previously when you would have told about your plans of moving to a different place, maybe when you were inviting them for a trip, or giving suggestions, requesting them for certain things regarding your relationship, you would have felt some kind of doubts, because you didn't know whether they will accept, but they are accepting. So this person is a very they may be your soulmate, guys. You can rely on them for support, and they will be there with you. You both are sharing a special bond, guys. That is the energy here, a very special bond with you. So this person really likes you truthfully, from their heart of hearts, and this is a very positive working relationship, guys, you have with this person. And in this relationship, you will want to think what you instead of thinking what you will get off of this relationship, you must think what you need to do, what you need to give this person, because you just as far as these cards are concerned, I see a very mutual relationship. There is great love, understanding, and acceptance and happiness in this relationship. That intimacy is there in this relationship. So that is the energy here, guys. Friendship, you have great friendship with this person. So that is also the energy here, Gemini. So this person shares a special bond with you, or you want to share a special bond with them. So that is the energy here, guys, Gemini. So today a very positive kind of reading for you all, Gemini. So whatever your plans, whatever your expectations, Gemini, so whatever you were expecting from your work situation or in your life, that is coming into being, guys. So that is the energy with these cards. So people are accepting your suggestions in your relationship and your work atmosphere. So whatever you were expecting, it is manifesting. So that is the energy, and you are really happy. You're contemplating your success today, and you want to share a special bond with this person. You are deepening your relationship with this person. That is also the energy here, Gemini. So that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.